Okay, students, welcome back. अब हम करेंगे turning effect of forces, question 6 to question 10. Let's start. Question 6. A uniform beam is pivoted at its center. Two weights are placed on the beam in the positions shown, and the beam is placed by an upward force. Beam is balanced by an upward force, F. What is the size of F? अच्छा, दो weights रखे हुए हैं. It's 30 Newton, 60 Newton, acting downwards. अच्छा, अब हमने principle of moment apply करना है to find out F. So let's do it. Principle of movement suggests कि clockwise moment is equals to anti-clockwise moment. अच्छा, clockwise moment क्या होगा? Clockwise moment will be 30. Okay, F into D. Moment is equals to F into D. 60 into 30. I know that wouldn't make any difference, but still, that's 1800. And the anti-clockwise moment will be 40 into 30. 40 into 30 plus F into what is the perpendicular distance is 50. अच्छा, अब इसको हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 1800 is equals to 1200 plus f into 50. अच्छा, 1200 यहाँ प्लस हो रहा है, वहां जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, तो 600 will be left. 600 is equals to f into f into 50. अच्छा, 50 वहां जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा ना, because it's multiplying here, तो उधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So that means we'll be left with F, which is 12 newtons. So the right answer is B. Question 7. A horizontal beam is pivoted at X. इसका pivot X पे है. It will rotate around X. A mass of 200 grams rests on the beam as shown. The center of mass of the beam is 50 centimeters from the right hand end of the beam. So would have been right here. The center of mass should have been right here, but इस side पे 40, इस side पे 60 है, so there would be an additional 10 centimeters of ruler here, right? तो यहाँ हम लेबल कर देते हैं इसे 10 centimeters of ruler here. The beam is balanced. What is the mass of the beam? अच्छा, अब principle of moment लगा लेते हैं, right? So clockwise पहले. It will be mg into 10 because that's the perpendicular distance and mg is the force, equals to 20 into the mass. The mass into 200 into 20, which will give us 4000. अच्छा, mg into 10 will be equal to 4000. और अगर mg ढूंढना है तो that would give us 4000. वहां 10 वहां मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहां जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा दूसरी साइड पे, so that will leave us with 400, and that would be the answer. 400 grams will be the answer. So C is the right answer. Question 8. The diagram shows the forces acting on four identical blocks, solid blocks. Each arrow represents a force of 20 newtons. अच्छा, अगर हम ये देखें तो these blocks are in equilibrium, right? They are neither producing a resultant force nor a moment, right? But on the other hand, this one, ये वाला जो है ना, is moving in this direction. It will rotate. It will rotate. On the other hand, R के अंदर ना रिजल्टेंट मोमेंट है ना रिजल्टेंट फोर्स है, but on the other hand this S will move downwards with double the force. It will move downwards with 40 newtons force. So only blocks which are in equilibrium is P and R. So the answer will be A. Remember, to be in equilibrium there needs to be two things fulfilled, right? There should be no resultant moment and there should be no resultant force. Keep that in mind. Acha, 9. 9. Some forces are applied at different distances from a pivot. Which diagram shows the force that produces largest moment about the pivot? Moment क्या होता है? Force into perpendicular distance. अच्छा, इसमें कर लेते हैं force into. But this is in centimeters. We have to first convert it into meters. So 90 divided by 100, it is 0.9. 0.9 into 50, this gives us 45. 0.9 into 50 is equals to 45. अगला वाला देख लेते हैं. 2 into 30 will give us 60. आगे देख लेते हैं. 50 into, actually sorry, 0.5 into 80 will give us 40. और डी में देख लेते हैं. 3 into 18 will give us 54. What is the largest moment you can see? It's obviously B. So that's the right answer. My bad. B is the right answer. Question 10. The diagram shows a children's wooden plate tower. Which change to the tower makes it more stable? If the center of mass is lowered, right? If the center of mass is lowered, then the tower will be more stable, which is C. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Allah Hafiz.